Hey folks, see this flag here? It's the Christian flag, and we've had it flying outside the church for a few years. And this morning I noticed that it was a little tattered, and it had come off of the grommet here, and kind of repaired it here, and then it was fraying at the ends. So I put the glue gun going and fixed it up a bit. And it reminded me as I was fixing it that a lot of times in the storms of life, we get beaten and battered. And through our trials, sometimes we come apart. You know, the Lord is faithful, and He strengthens us, and He helps us, and He mends us, and repairs us, so we can fly again. I just want to encourage you today that if you're in the storm, and we're all struggling in some way, look to the Lord and let Him repair you. Let Him touch your life today. I pray a blessing over you, and that you would fly strong in the Lord. Amen. Bye.